Good morning, everybody. Please mute your microphone. Those who are...
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, please mute your microphone. Jishnu Gupta, Lopamudra, Moyuk Shamanto, Norin Jaman, Priyanka Ghosh. Please open your textbook. Yes, good morning, everybody. So, today I will finish the chapter Don't Tell. Okay? I will finish the chapter Don't Tell. Should not. You have done PT2. Yes, beta. Very good. You have already. Yes. I have given that also in my e-portal. Okay. So, here don't tell that actually next day I will do the revision. Okay? And I think you have already got that routine also, PT2 exams. So today I'll do page number 89. Last day I told the three things of they won't let you do. They means your parents, your elders, whoever is there. Okay? Please don't unmute your microphone. Who is this? Nasreen. Lopamudra, why after many days you have joined and why you are just unmuting? Okay, so here 3 things I told they won't let you do. Sometime, page number 89, page number 89. And I told what are the things you like to do when you are grown up and that you cannot do now. Sometime you cannot go to the market alone. You cannot go to the playground alone. Okay? You cannot ride your bicycle alone. So that type of things you can do alone. You can write these things. These 2, you will do your work. So next I will go that word building. That also you will do. Blackboard, they have given blackboard back. Then mother, you will tell me from mother 3 words. I am telling first one HER, second one, anyone please tell me. Many students are there, please tell that. S, where is S? There is no S. There is mother, there is no S. MOTHER. Mother, there is no S. So, please tell. One word I have told. Second one also I am telling. MOTH, moth. Third one, anybody? THE, da. Okay. Other, very good. OTHER, very good word. Oindrila has told, other. It's a very good word. So 3 words we have already got. So hard, moth is a type of worm. Poka. And also other. Okay? Moyuk Shamanto, why many days you did not join? Next, vegetable. Vegetable, we can do that. Vegetable, VEGETABLE, VEGETABLE. So number 1, table. I am writing that. Number 2, get. Number 3, you will tell. Okay, table and veg. Veg how cannot tell? Veg means vegetables. Another word. Able, very good. Shankolon is telling that able. ABLE, very good word, able. So 3 words we have got. The next, thousand. 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 Number 1. SAND. Sand. Number 2. And we can do sand and sound. SOUND. Very good. Sound. Number 3. And you can give besides that any another word.
Snail.
Where is L? Thousand. Where is L? So let me see. Anybody? Than. THAN. Okay, than. All this word we can write, and then, okay. You have, I have a problem. What, Lopamudra? What you are having problem? Please don't unmute. You can write that. Lopamudra is continuously unmute. If you are unmuting, beta, everybody will get that. Priyanka? Lopamudra, please write that. What you are having problem. So these 3 words from thousand. Then helicopter. That helicopter. Another one. Cop. Yes, cop means, do you know? Very good. Cop means that police. Okay. So helicopter. Helicopter. Cop means police. Number 2. Tar. Tar I cannot. Tar. T-A-R I think. I cannot see you. Here I am. If you cannot see me, that is your network problem. Okay. No, not tar. Helicopter. H-E-L-P. Help. Help. Okay. Help. Page number I have written beta 89. Page number 89. Chopper. C-H-O-H-O-P-E-R. Very good. Chopper. C-H-O-P-E-R. Very good. So 3 words we have got. So many words we can get from this type of words. Okay. So next, number 2. Here these words I have already taught like this yesterday. Yesterday means last day. The don't, I am, I will. Here do not, I am means I am, and I will. So page number 90 we can go. Page number 90. Page number 90 we can go. Topper also, Lina. Yes, very good. PT2 syllabus. No, PT2 syllabus I have already given, beta. Don't tell, it is not in the PT2 syllabus. I have already given in my e-portal. Please look at my e-portal. Or website also you will get. School's website, my e-portal you will get. Okay. Next day I will revise. I will just revise your PT2 syllabus from textbook. So page number 90, can't. Cannot. Then it's. It is. It is. And isn't. Is.
Not.
Oh, Priyanka, don't tell like this. Is not. What's. What is. What is. Then that's. That is. That is. So next, make sentence using the following. He is, she is, you are, we are. That 4 sentence you will make. I'll not make. In your copy, you will make sentence. You are now class 3 and it is very easy to make. Now write about 2 things you will do when you will grow up. When I grow up, I will do a nice job. Okay. Then also you can tell, when I'll grow, I'll take care of my parents and grandparents. You can tell that. Okay. So, I'm just telling, I will take care my parents. Next, I will do a great job. Whatever job, as a doctor, as an engineer, you can write, as a teacher, as a professor, whatever you can write these two sentences. I am just giving example of two sentences. Then, we can go to the next chapter. He is my brother. Okay. He is my brother. Only we can just read. Next day, we'll do all the sentence, page number 91. Page number 91. He is my brother. Lopamudra, continuously you are unmuting, beta. Please don't unmute. If you are unmuting, then Lopamudra, how many times I am just unmuting you? Muting and you are unmuting. Why? Please don't do. Everybody is feeling disturbance. Okay. Once upon a time, there was a small hill. A path went up the hill. It went through thick and lovely woods of pine and fir trees. So, pine and fir, you know that, that's your section, but actually it's a name of trees. Pine, oak, pine, fir, we are giving, no? Actually, it's a trees of the hilly areas. It went through thick and lovely woods of pine. Woods means forest. Fir trees, people often walked on it to a holy place. Sometimes holy place are there, so they are walking on it. One day when the sun shone high in the sky, many people are seen climbing up the hill. They were climbing slowly and carefully because hill is no. So they are climbing very slowly and also carefully because sometimes they can slip down. A girl also climbed the hill with them. Her name was Meena. Meena was 12 years old. She carried a small boy on her back. Look at the picture. She carried her small boy on her back. He was 4 years old. His hair was curly. His eyes were black and his face was as fresh as morning dew. This is the comparison. Morning dew, first morning dew, it is very fresh. Here also fresh was fresh as the morning dew. As the sunshine danced through the trees, Meena climbed the hill slowly and steadily. Meena was happy. Steadily means very slow and steady. So she can do the balance. Was very happy. The boy was also happy. A man in the group looked at Meena. He felt sorry for her. He asked, "My child, why are you carrying a boy on your back? Don't you feel the load?" Meena looked at him in wonder, in surprise. She could not understand him. Her brother was unable to walk. Meena asked, "Load? Of course not. He is my brother." Because she loved her brother very much. So, for her brother, she is very thin. And Meena could not think that he is a load. Because she loved too much. So, I think you have understood this story. This is a very small story. Again, I am telling, the Meena is going to the hill with her brother. Because she cannot walk. Sometimes he can walk, but he is also very small. So, Meena is carrying her brother. And he is thinking it is very much enjoyable. He isn't thinking that he is a load for him. Okay? Linoy, why are you writing like this? So, this story please read. Next day I will write the meaning and also the question answer. Obviously, Friday I will do the revision of that. After that, I will do.
বলে হিস্টোরি লিখলাম আমি মিলিটারি হব তাই আপনি জিজ্ঞাসা করছিলেন কি হবেন তাই আমি
Okay, very good. Military means actually you want to become a soldier. So you will write. Okay. Those who are present, please write P. Jishnu, Kaustubh, Kritika, Linoy, Lopamudra, Moyuk Samanto, Nasreen Sultana, Noreen Chaman, Oindrila Chatterjee, Priyanka Ghosh, Shankalan Chaudhary. Okay, beta. Then bye. Have a nice day. Where is Shankalan? Shankalan, always you are opening your camera, no? At the last time, I am waiting for you.
Ma'am, I am not in school dress.
Okay. But every day you are telling the bye, no? So that's why I am waiting for you. Okay, thank you, beta. Next day again I will tell that. Okay, bye, beta.